Hey guys, welcome back to the 717 Supply YouTube channel. I'm here sitting in the 2023 Ford Bronco that we're giving away. This giveaway is going to continue through October 27th. Really nice vehicle. I just want to give you a quick tour of everything that we got going on with this car. So starting with the outside here of the Bronco Everglades Edition, moving up to the front, we have the worn winch kit. This is a factory option that we have on there. Pretty cool that you can get it right from the factory. Moving down here to the wheels, we have the Fuel Zephyrs in 18-inch, and that is on a 35 by 12.5-inch Toyo mud tire. So really beefy there, great for off-road. Then moving to the side here, you got the Everglades Edition vinyl. The Sasquatch looks really cool. It's kind of in like a camo with a topographical map on there as well. Of course, you got the rails on the roof there. The roof is completely removable. And then around back, we have the matching spare, of course. Looks really cool. Shout out Whitmire Auto Group, Matt Beaver, you're the man. Of course, tow hook on the bottom there. Just really good looking car. Move back around to the front here. You see you have the intake snorkel on there, which says Bronco. I think that's a really cool feature. I think it really sets it apart from the rest of the Broncos. There are a ton of different Bronco editions, so this one is really cool that it does have the snorkel on it. Do a quick look down here at the suspension. Okay, moving on to the inside of the Bronco. We have actual vinyl seats that are completely washable. You can actually take a hose and spray them down. And the floors, they're a little dirty right now. We'll get that cleaned up, but they're actually washable as well. And you can see the drain plug there, so you can drain all the water out. So the seats are actually 6-way manual adjustable. Let's hop on in here. So let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys. It is a keyless entry as well. So push button start. See it start up here. I do have the back left door open. The Bronco uses Ford's 12-inch Sync 4 infotainment system. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wireless. There is a 7-speaker audio system with subwoofer. Looking up top here, you have your aux switches. Down below here, you have the different diff lock options. Moving down to the climate, you got dual zone climate control, gear selector, and your 4-wheel drive selector, as well as drive modes, window switches, mirror switches, and there's a nice kind of rubberized handle here on the side, and on the other side here, you can see the Bronco logo there right above the glove box. And of course, you have the Bronco logo stamped into the seat. You can see all the buttons here are actually rubberized so that they are waterproof and you are not going to have any issues getting water on there. Moving on into the back, we have the same vinyl seats that we do up front. Really comfortable. Tons of room back here for you and your friends. Got a lot of leg room here sitting behind myself. Got my camera gear over here. We have a little surprise for you in that box right there. Not going to tell you about it quite yet. Look up front. Really comfy car, honestly. Removable roof. And of course, you can remove the doors in the front and in the back. And moving under the hood, we have Ford's 2.3-liter EcoBoost. So that's a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. You can see the intake here going up through the snorkel, which is pretty cool. So that covers the 2022 Ford Bronco giveaway. Like I said, it ends October 27th. Right now, we're running 100 times entries, and that is the biggest multiplier we're going to do, so you don't want to miss out on that. Nice, clean, simple build, quality wheels, tires. We got the tint up front, 20%, and in the rear, 5%. We got a little surprise coming as well. Curtis is going to be here in a few days to install that for us, so you maybe know what that means, so you could take a guess on what we have coming for you. Another quality part, of course. Curtis.
Hey, buddy.
Welcome back. Say hi to your fans, bro.
I'm trying to read, bro.
Just say hi to your fans, man.
Every brain cell that I have.
Oh, okay. Well, Curtis doesn't know how to read. Gonna have to bring someone in to translate for him.
Yep.
All right, guys, quick update for you. We got Curtis here. That's right, the one that you used to see on the channel before. He is here helping us install the Corsa exhaust on the Bronco. See, he brought his WRX over here. And then we got a nice little setup for him. Unfortunately, we cannot go in the garage because it is still being worked on. Bronco's looking great right now. Got Curtis under there. Oh my God, he's looking good, dude. Your shoes are beautiful.
Oh. Thanks, buddy.
Are those Air Force Ones or what are those?
Oh no, man, they're DCs my mom got me for Christmas.
Fancy, very fancy. We like that.
Yeah.
Big sneaker collector. So if we look in here, the warehouse is absolutely chocked. This is not the best we've ever seen it, but hopefully it's going to be done soon.
You're sneaky.
Thanks, bro.
Yep. What do you think? The power gains down here? Or?
Thinking like at least 569 wheel? I don't know. What are you thinking?
I think Spark's at horsepower.
You think? Curtis, I want to thank you a lot having you out here, putting the exhaust on in a record 6.9 minutes. That's right, guys. 6.9 minutes to get the exhaust on the Bronco Everglades.
Did you do that on purpose?
No, not at all.
Stop it at 7?
No, definitely not. No, I was timing you 6.9 on the dot.
On the dot.
We appreciate that.
Of course, it's really weird without Mike here.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Not gonna lie.
Well, he's out flying on private jets.
Yeah.
And you know, we're out here working on the asphalt.
Peasants.
So
Peasants.
essentially peasants, yeah. So what? I mean, what are you gonna do? Honestly,
Everything's fine.
It's fine. I think he's paying you in like double cheeseburgers or something like that.
I don't even think he's gonna feed me anymore, to be honest.
He's gonna stop feeding you. Oh
Yeah,
no.
I think he's probably gonna dock your pay for giving me water too.
Oh gosh, dude. I forgot to expense.
I won't tell him if you don't. So edit this part out.
I won't expense it. Don't worry. Yeah. All right, man. We appreciate it.
Yeah. Should I have left you hanging? That would've been kind of fun.
That would have been up, bro. All right, guys, I hope you liked that nice little juicer of a video. It was nice having Curtis come over to help us install the Corsa exhaust. Go check out the website. We have a bunch of new merch. We have a ton of signs right now. We got some new t-shirts, save the manuals, obviously, because I drive manual. But yeah, the Bronco's looking great, sounding great. Let me know what you thought of the video. Leave it down in the comments below, and I'll get back to all of you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.